Here's how to make your Facebook profile private. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Log into your account. Then after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now go ahead and open the Audience and Visibility section. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on the profile details to begin, that is below profile locking. Go through each section and adjust the privacy settings. You can go through all these options, then tap on the pencil icon wherever it is available. Wherever it is available, go to its audience section and then make it private. Then tap on Save and repeat this process for all the sections such as contact info. Then tap on how people can find and contact you. Here, go through all these settings and set it to only me or private. You can also disable the search engine setting to control how people find your account and customize your message request settings. So go to the post section and then change who can see your future post to only me. To limit who can see past post, tap on limit past post and then limit. In the stories section, you can choose who can see your stories. You can set it to custom and then select specific people and disable the options to allow others to share your stories or mention you. There aren't many privacy options for pages. So in the Reels section, disable sharing options and choose who can see your Reels. Finally, go to followers and public content section. And here you can choose who can see your followers and set it to only me. Setting most options to only me will maximize your privacy. Alternatively, you can set them to friends as well. Then after, open the option of active status and turn it off. Tap on turn off to confirm. Go back, then go to your profile page. Tap on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on lock profile. Select lock your profile, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and your profile will be completely locked. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.